Hi, I'd like to show you how to self-mount your PLEXFIT. First, let's go through the key components of the sling. You have two clips at the top. These are for the shoulder straps. You have one clip on the side. This is for the underarm side strap. To start wearing the sling, I will unlock the side strap, press the button, and the clip unlocks. Next, I will reverse the sling so that the sleeve is facing upwards. I will take the injured or affected arm and slowly slide it into the sleeve with your palm facing upwards. Adjust the sleeve so it rolls up to your elbow. Next, I'll take the entire sling and loop it over my head. So you get it into this position. Finally, take the underarm side strap and clip it on. Adjust it so you get a good fit and you're ready to go. All the best.